Case, Conal Bihimappa vs. State of Karnataka and Others. Court, Supreme Court of India. Judgment date, 11th August 1987. Bench, Ranganath Misra, M.M. Dutt. Equivalent citations, 1987 AIR 2359, 1987 SCR 3, 885. Plaintiff, Conal Bihimappa. Defendant, State of Karnataka and Others. Case features. This case involves a dispute over seniority between direct recruits and promote in the Karnataka Administrative Service, KAS. According to the relevant recruitment rules, Class 1 junior scale posts are filled under a quota system, where 2/3 of the posts are filled by promotion and the remaining 1/3 by direct recruitment. Due to irregular direct recruitment, temporary promotions were granted. These temporary promotions lasted for several years, and when direct recruitment eventually occurred, those recruits were considered senior from the date of their appointment, leading to a dispute between the promote and the newly appointed direct recruits. Legal issues. Quota system and seniority. Should the quota system between direct recruits and promote be strictly followed? What are the implications for seniority? Carry forward rule. Can the posts reserved for direct recruitment, temporarily filled by promotions, be carried forward indefinitely, or should they be limited to a specific period? Cadre and recruitment rules, interpretation of various rules and notifications issued by the Karnataka government. Key points of judgment. Quota system. The Supreme Court emphasized the strict adherence to the quota system specified in the recruitment rules. It ordered that 2/3 of the posts be filled by promotion and 1/3 by direct recruitment. Any deviation from this quota was to be corrected, and the seniority list was to be amended accordingly. Temporary promotions, promotions exceeding the specified quota were deemed irregular. Those promoted beyond the quota were not entitled to seniority over the direct recruits. Seniority principle. Seniority should be determined based on the prescribed quota. Direct recruits appointed within their quota were to be considered senior to those promoted beyond the quota. Carry forward rule. The High Court's decision to limit the carry forward of vacancies for direct recruitment to 3 years was overruled. The Supreme Court insisted on adherence to the quota rules and their implications without a time limit. Implementation of Badami case. The Supreme Court reiterated the principles laid down in the earlier VP Badami v. State of Mysore case and stressed their strict implementation. State's responsibility. The Supreme Court criticized the Karnataka government for not adhering to the recruitment rules, leading to these issues. It pointed out that regular direct recruitments were not conducted timely, causing prolonged disputes. Service disputes. The court highlighted the adverse impact of continuous service disputes on administrative efficiency and discipline. It urged the state to follow the rules to avoid such situations in the future. Judgment. The court allowed the appeals and petitions of the direct recruits and dismissed those of the promote. It ordered the state government to correct the seniority list following the principles laid down in the judgment. Observations. The court mentioned the complexity of the rules and their frequent amendments, suggesting that standard retirement rules should be established. It stressed the importance of discipline and integrity in public service and described how excessive service disputes harm the system. The court emphasized that public service is a trusty position for society and should be managed responsibly. Conclusion. The Conal Bihimappa vs. State of Karnataka and Others case is a significant judgment regarding the principles of recruitment and seniority rules in the Karnataka Administrative Service. The Supreme Court emphasized the necessity of strictly following the quota system for direct recruitment and promotions. The court also held the state responsible for adhering to its recruitment rules to prevent similar issues in the future. If you enjoyed this audio clip, please like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share the information with your friends and encourage them to subscribe to the channel as well. Having new members join the channel inspires us, and we will strive to bring you more information on service matters in both Kannada and English based on your requests in the future. Please continue to support our channel and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you very much for listening to this audio clip.